Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this super short tutorial, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can turn off the keyboard sound in your Opera GX web browser. So let's get started right away. Alright, start by launching the Opera GX web browser, and here on your home feed, simply click on these three lines in the top right corner. Scroll down to the very bottom and select that option at the bottom here. Go to full browser settings. Now here inside your browser settings, scroll down again till you get to this section, sounds. Now if you're using an older version of Opera GX, you may not see that option here, so make sure that you update Opera GX to the most recently released version to gain access to the sounds feature. So next, click on sounds here, and what you want to do, guys, after that is simply turn on or turn off any browser or keyboard sounds you would like to keep or disable. For instance, the keyboard sounds are listed at the bottom of that list. As you can see, it is currently on a volume of 100 for me. So you may adjust the volume here by moving the slider to the left or to the right, or simply apply another keyboard sound set by using that drop-down menu, or entirely disable keyboard sounds by switching them off here to the right. That is going to turn off your keyboard sounds here in Opera GX instantaneously. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.